The WantJoin Professional Commercial Blender with Shield is a powerful and versatile appliance designed to meet the demands of both home and commercial use. One of its standout features is its quiet and soundproof design, which reduces noise and prevents splatter and leaking during blending. This makes it ideal for use in restaurants, cafes, bars, and other settings where noise reduction is important. The blender comes with a large 80 ounces, 2.2L pitcher, suitable for family gatherings and parties, and can easily handle a variety of ingredients, from smoothies and ice cream to salsa, sauce, nuts, hummus, shakes, and baby food. Powered by a strong 2200W motor and equipped with powerful blades and dual-direction blade technology, this blender delivers consistent blending performance at speeds of up to 38,000 RPM. It offers 15 speed control options, allowing users to customize their blending experience according to their preferences. In terms of design, the WantJoin blender boasts an exquisite outlook and a shield cover, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also helps reduce noise. The shield cover features a feeding hole and a lid, making it easy to add ingredients during blending. Additionally, the blender comes with a tamper that fits through the lid to help blend denser ingredients. For safety, the blender is equipped with overheat protection and a self-cleaning design, ensuring peace of mind during use. While it does not have preset program functions, the mechanical button operation protects the motor from overheating, allowing it to resume work after cooling and resetting. Overall, the WantJoin Professional Commercial Blender with Shield combines power, versatility, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen or commercial establishment. Whether you're whipping up smoothies at home or serving customers in a busy cafe, this blender delivers reliable performance every time.